Welcome students, welcome to the English class. Today I am going to discuss about the English project. So all you have to do is to do these two projects, and in this class I will discuss you about the projects. So there are two projects. Number one, happy moments are short-lived but provide a lifetime memory. Discuss it in the light of a poem, a photograph, and paste a relevant picture of one of your happy moments on the left side of your project copy. Means you have to write the right side and you have to paste the pictures on the left side. Or there is another project, united we stand, divided we fall. Explain the idea after reading the chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Here you have also need to paste relevant picture of your family on the left side of the project copy, and you have to write in the right side. And the number two, the institution of child marriage is deep rooted in our society. Laws are present to check it, but it is still prevalent in society. Write a complaint letter to the IPS officer of your nearest police station, as your friend is going to be the next target of this social evil in the light of the story Ranga's marriage. Or alternatively, you can do this thing: aged people should not be left behind and every effort should be made that they live with their children and grandchildren. Write a speech which will include a proper understanding between the old and the new generation in the light of the story The Portrait of a Lady. Okay, these are the two projects and you have to do that. Now we will discuss about the format of your project copy. Now we are discussing about the format of the project. So this is going to be the format of your project. First you have to write the title or the cover page. After that you have to provide the certificate. Then number 3 is acknowledgement, index, project, conclusion and bibliography. So you have to maintain this particular format. Okay, now this is going to be the cover page. Over here you have to write the topic, your name, class. It will be better if you write your stream also, and board roll number. For the time being don't need to write the board roll number. Now you have to write the certificate. The certificate is over here. After that, acknowledgement. After the acknowledgement, over here you will write class 11, and now you have to write the topic, two topics. After that you have to write the conclusion. Now over here you have to write the bibliography. What is the meaning of bibliography? Bibliography means where you have taken the material for your project. Now over here I will discuss about the copy. So as you can see in the picture, this is the interleave copy and this is a threaded copy which is easily available in the market. If you have any kind of doubt, the doubt section is open. You can ask your queries. Thank you.